everyday cooking dag, cooking every day. Alright guys, welcome and welcome back. We're outside, we're starting outside and we're gonna finish outside. We're doing barbecue chicken, guys. Barbecue chicken on the Weber grill, right? On the Weber grill. Guys, it's summertime or just about summertime. And yeah, we're gonna do barbecue chicken, basic barbecue chicken. We got some hickory wood chunks. Guys, let me set up the grill. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna just get this chicken ready, right? Now, this chicken has been seasoned with adobo, right? And I did that yesterday, right? So we could cook this chicken just like that, the way it is now. But I'm gonna put some this Weber KC rub on it. It's got a little sugar in it, I'm pretty sure. But I'm just gonna sprinkle this on top. Alright guys, so we're just gonna let this sit while we set up our fire. So I'm gonna move you guys over. Alright guys, now we got quite a few coals left over from our last cook, right? So the whole idea is I'm gonna start a little fire. You can't see. I'm gonna start a small fire right here. We're gonna put our wood chunks down. We just wanna smoke the chicken for a little while. And then I'll come out here and I'll probably like the rest of these when we want to go ahead and grill the chicken. So we're going to start here small, let it go over. We'll go probably 45 minutes to an hour to smoke the chicken a little bit, put a little smoky flavor on it. And then I'll come out here and like the rest of these. And yeah, so get started. Just going to add a few more coals. This regular Kingsford, guys. Guys, I'm opening the bottom rack all the way. And of course, we got to clean our grill up, right? All right, avocado oil. And a little, clean the grill up a little bit. Right, you don't want to be eating soot from the last cook, right? Alright guys, now I'm going to go down with one piece of wood here. And another one right here. Alright, I'm going to let that catch and let this set up for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I don't know if you could see it, right? I don't know if you can see it. We're red. That piece of wood is now caught on fire. Let me just move this around so you can see. Let me see a little bit better. See if you can see down there. Guys, if you could see, our wood is caught. We have a good set of coals started. So I'm going to close this down now just so that we can get our grill up to temp, right? So notice we got our bottom ones open all the way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open this like that all the way. Let this come up to temp, and then we'll put the chicken in and we'll probably close this down to regulate the temperature. Alright guys, so our temperature is at almost 300 degrees. That's on the top of the grill, right? But we're going to monitor inside the grill with our Weber Connect. Right guys, this is good stuff, you know, it connects to your phone and everything. But let's go ahead and get the chicken on. I think this grill is warm enough. So first, let's put down our Weber Connect. I'm gonna put it over here. We get a good temperature gauge on this side. And we're gonna go down with our chicken. Doesn't get much easier than that, right? I'm gonna put the thighs up front. We can just hit it again with a little bit of seasoning, some of the bare spots. All right, guys, so we're just gonna close this down. And we're gonna wait for our temperature gauge to kick in and see where we're at. We're already at 100 and climbing, okay? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this down halfway. 256 or so. So this is gonna go 30 minutes or so. Yeah, 30 minutes, 45 minutes at this temperature. And then we're gonna come out and we're gonna light up all the coals if we can and grill the chicken. That nice grilled chicken flavor on there. All right, guys, so, oh my. As time has went by, we've ruined as high as 313, right? So we're just gonna take a look at these chicken and see what it looks like. Doesn't seem to be pulled back much. Let's just see what temp we got. Right down into the bone. 157. Right, we still got a good way to go on this. But that's why we're gonna grill it now, right? 165, 163, 149. I like to get my chicken thighs and chicken legs right around 200 or so. All right, so if you look here, our grill is really lit. I mean, all the way across almost, right? Can you see that? See how it's lit almost all the way across? Now that we're opening this up, it's gonna get really hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and lift this grill up and put down some more charcoals. All right, guys, so I did add some more coal down, charcoal. I didn't catch it on camera, or maybe I did, I'm not sure. But we did add more charcoal. And we're just gonna let this catch. I'm gonna move these over, right? And we're gonna try to bring these suckers up to 200 degrees by grilling them. And this is gonna be a love of labor, right? Back and forth. All right, guys, I brown these up a little bit on each side here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these back off here, pull them back down, right? Because let's take a quick look. We got our temperature up to 169, all right? So now we're gonna really crank this grill up. Put these thicker pieces up front. Because now, right, now we got this grill really going, right? So bottom's open all the way. And we're gonna open the top all the way. We're gonna open the top. We're gonna open the top all the way. So we're gonna let this go 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and take the temperature. But we're at 375. I've been kind of taking the hood off and on, but we've been at 375 for like the last 10 minutes or so. So let's tempt this chicken, right? $199, guys. This is just where I want to be. 200, 196. The chicken legs looks like they got a little bit more to go. So we're gonna go ahead and move the chicken thighs back, right? Move these chicken legs up. All right, we're gonna close this down for another 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, we're gonna go back in. It's been about 3 minutes or so. 194, 196. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going in with some barbecue sauce, just some regular plain old Kraft barbecue sauce. Because we want to flip these at least one time, right? All right, guys, and now we're just going to close this down caramelize this up on one side, and then we're gonna flip them back over and put some more barbecue sauce and let it caramelize, and we should be well over 200 degrees. All right, guys, that's it. We should be done. Hey guys, this is our chicken. Let's do a quick flyover. There's our chicken with no sauce on it, right? Looking good. There's the chicken with sauce. Guys, this is looking good, right? Now this is what barbecue chicken should look like, right? We didn't do, I mean, it took us some time, right? We didn't just grill the chicken and throw some barbecue sauce on it. We smoked it a little bit, right? Then we grilled them, put some color on them, right? Just in case, you know, it wasn't dark enough. But guys, these came out great. So we're gonna pull these off. All right, guys, we're gonna dig in, right? This is looking good. I'm just gonna dig in here. I'm just gonna get a piece of this. Guys, look how juicy that looks. Guys, this is barbecue chicken, right? Right? Take a bite of this. Hopefully we can just bite right through the skin with no problem. What we get? Alright. Please like and subscribe. We'll go every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.